Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make yakisoba. Yakisoba is Japanese style stir-fried noodles seasoned with sauce. When we make yakisoba at home, we normally use this kind of yakisoba kit off the shelf with sauce attached. If you can't find this kind of yakisoba kit with sauce attached, you can just whip up some sauce. Let me show you how. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 2 yakisoba noodles, handful of bean sprout, some cabbage, pork belly, thinly sliced pork belly, or you can use bacon, 1 bell pepper, half carrot, 2 tablespoons worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and to garnish, some bonito flakes, katsuobushi bonito flakes, seaweed powder, aonori seaweed powder, and some Japanese pickled ginger. Let's start with carrot. We want to make thin strips of carrot. So make thin slices, diagonal slices, and then push it to make it flat like this, and then you julienne this. So you have thin strips of carrot. Put it aside. Bell pepper. Cut it in half and remove the seeds and pith and everything inside. Stack them up and let's cut it diagonal into thin strips. Put it aside. Then cabbage. Cut the core off. And again, you're making thin strips. You can use the bean sprout as is, so we have all the vegetable ready. Let's cut the pork belly into bite sizes. So cut it in half, put them together. Cut them in half, put them together. Maybe into 3, into bite size, like this. Then sauce. You just combine those 3 sauce in one bowl. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Mix it well, and this is your homemade yakisoba sauce. Very easy. Let's get to the stir frying. And before you start, you microwave these yakisoba noodles just a little bit until it's warm. And this will loosen the oil that is coating the noodle, and it will separate the noodles, so make sure to microwave it. The skillet is hot, so let's start with pork belly. You don't need any vegetable oil because fat will come out from the pork. When the pork is brown, you add all the vegetables. And keep stir frying. When vegetables are wilted, add noodle that you microwave. Stir fry the noodles and vegetables together about 3 minutes. Then add the homemade yakisoba sauce all over. Keep stir frying it about 2 minutes or so until there is no sauce at the bottom of the skillet. Turn the heat off and let's serve. Put some katsuobushi bonito flakes on top, aonori seaweed powder on top, Japanese pickled ginger aside, and your yakisoba is good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking and eating this delicious yakisoba. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now.